Hey y'all, and welcome to another video. Today I am doing Soft Glam. This is a very popular makeup look, very matte. It still has the element of softness, but the face is still contoured for the gods. If you guys want to see how I completed this look, please keep watching. My eyebrows are already done, so yeah, I could do an eyebrow tutorial if you guys want. Okay, I'm going to use the Cover FX blurring primer. My products be so dirty. Alright, Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation. It's gonna keep me matte all day. This is shade Y505. I'm gonna prime my eyes with Pure Beige Concealer from LA Girl. Today I'm going to be using the Juvias palette, the Warrior 2. This is my first time using this palette. So Soft Glam is really all about matteness. So the eyes are going to be matte. I'm not going to use any shimmers, so this is the perfect palette. First go in with the shade Yodit. I'm hitting the top of the eyebrow. Now I'm going with the shade Zama. I'm going in with the shade Kufuru. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the shade Kana. We're gonna put that all over our mobile lid. I'm gonna smoke out Kufuru on the outside edge. We're gonna line the eye and then we're gonna smoke it out. This is a dark brown shade, but it kind of does look black because it is so dark, but yeah. And then I'm gonna smoke it out with Kufuru. Now we're going in with concealer. I'm gonna mix both the LA Girl HD Concealer in Fawn and Caramel from Maybelline Instant Rewind. To contour, I'm gonna use the Sephora Make No Mistake foundation stick in the shade Mahogany. Now the thing with soft glam makeup, there's certain elements that you kind of have to do. I feel like one of those things is a strict nose contour actually. So, and I usually don't do too crazy of a nose contour, but I'll do one today for this video. Yeah, I usually don't do all of this to the nose because I don't know, like I can't stand a bad nose contour. I can't stand it. And I feel like sometimes the girls get a little out of hand. Let's finish highlighting and contouring the face. I'm gonna use this powder from AC Cosmetics called No Shine. For bronzer, I'm going to use, this is a really old MAC palette from their holiday collection maybe 2 years ago, and I still have it, and this is like my favorite bronzer ever. Yeah, so sorry that no one can go out and get this, but, or I don't know, maybe you could find it somewhere, I'm not sure. But it's the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact in Medium Deep. Looks like this. Oh no, it's just the best bronzer for my skin tone that I've tried. Next, I'm using PYT from the Narsissist 2 palette. I'm gonna set my face with matte mineralized skin finish in dark. Now, when your face starts getting real powdery and everything, and starts feeling cracked and dry, go ahead and spray it with your favorite setting spray. I even know I'm shaking. This is from Morphe, and nothing happens when you shake it. Now, to keep up with the matte thing going on, I'm not about to really put any highlighter on my cheeks, like maybe a little swipe, but I am putting some on my nose because, come on. Oh, it's just very, very slight. You probably can't even pick it up. A matte face, kids. Now we're gonna put NYX Professional Medium eyeliner in our waterline. I'm gonna put on our mascara now. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous. Let's go back in with Kafuru and Yodit. For the lip, we're going to do NYX Espresso lip liner and Beeper from Colourpop. I'm gonna put a little bit of Kat Von D bow and arrow in the center. So this is the completed look. This is the soft glam.